showing you once more that how shall we work. You can see that in my drive I have created a folder named session 2020-21. You have to create in your folder of in your drive a folder named ICT 2020-21. Within that you have to create the file Google Sheet, name it as Fun with Spreadsheet. So I shall come here back, and now how to do your work before you submit, check it and then to submit. You have already one sheet and you have double clicked on it and named it introduction. Then you clicked on the plus sign, created another sheet and named it pixel designing and drew it, and you have got the theme in class time. You have done it like this. Next one is game that we are working right now. So there what you have to do, you have to design it like this, okay, as I have done. After you have done it, now see, you have last class I showed you that different formatting options you have to do. As I last class I told you that you have to apply merge cell. Merge cell will work, but where I need to apply the function, there merge cell or merged cell function can't be applied. Okay, functions are working just like you need not to do anything, they will give you some result. Okay, there are some comments been given. Functions are some comments which will work for you. Okay, so now see here what have I done. I've just taken from my sheet that works had been given. I've taken this one, and the things which are written in blue color that will be blank, and which are written in black will be there in a Sudoku. Now what to do for this one, I have to apply conditional formatting. How to apply conditional formatting? You have to go to condition. I'll do for this one, already done up to this. I shall show one more format. Conditional formatting is nothing but with a condition when we apply formatting, that is called conditional formatting. I shall do here from not equal to. This cell is sorry, I shall not do it. I shall cancel, because for the black one I'm not going to do anything, for the blue one. So I shall click on this one and go to the conditional formatting. I'll come here and click on this one. Here from I shall take is not equal to, and write here the exact value that is there, that means 1. Then what will happen, I shall change the background color and the text color with the same and do it okay. Like this, all the blue color one you have to do it. I'll show one more conditional formatting. Here clicking on it, I'll go down not equal to, and here from I shall choose the background color and the text color, then must be, I have to clicking on done, otherwise okay, why is not coming, I have to make it M7, it will be 3, otherwise it will not work, done. Okay, so like this you will do for rest. Now when it is been done, see what is happening. I have applied here conditional formatting 3, that's wrong. I am typing here 7, 6, wrong, and when I am typing here 2, then only is coming back. Okay, now only this much is not enough, we are going to give some score, okay, who are playing for them. So here what am I writing, equal to, and for it will be row wise. If both of these are correct, you will get some score. It is like this. Okay, so equal to, if within bracket I am writing here and, open another bracket, and I am choosing this cell, equal to what it will be, 2, putting a comma, then clicking on this cell, equal to how much, 4, close the bracket, then giving a comma. Okay, that means if this is the and this one is correct, then I will give you 2, otherwise you will get 0. Then I am closing this bracket. See here, as both are correct, you have received it. If I put here 5, score is 0. Am I clear? It will be like this. Again here what am I doing, equal to, see once more, if, open the bracket, equal to sign is very important here. Okay, opened another bracket, clicked on the cell, equal to 3, giving a comma, then clicked on next cell which is in blue color, giving a equal to sign, 1, open close the bracket, giving a comma and 2, then another comma, then 0, then closed it, pressed enter. Okay, once more, equal to, if, open a bracket, and it's so simple, isn't it? Select equal to 1, putting a comma, click equal to 3 comma, select equal to 4, close the bracket, putting comma because 3 blanks were there, so 3 points comma 0. Okay, done. See here 3, and for this one again you have to do it equal to if. Here no need of and. Okay, so I'll do here equal to 4, then putting a comma, only 1, otherwise 0. Done. Fine, all are done. So total score will be shown here, no, otherwise total score, so it should look good. So I've taken all together, merged this one, and here I shall write down total score. Okay, and I'll apply a border for this one with a different color, and background will also change with the font color, and need to apply here bold. Done. Here will be sum, means total score equal to SUM sum, open a bracket, selecting all these, just dragging, then closing the bracket, pressed enter, got the sum. Now I have to do all the functions need to be applied here. Bold, I'll make some more formatting here, and it will be coming center. Font color need to be changed into blue, it will look good, and the border need to be applied here also, so I shall apply a border here. And in between, if you wish, you can do some more formatting to make it much more presentable. Okay, it's up to you how will you present it. So that's all about your function, use of function, conditional formatting. And here at the top you arrange cell, merge this cell range like this, and here you may write down Sudoku, and then after you may select it, you may put it in the center, you may keep it in the center. Font size, if you are not satisfied with it, if you want to increase the font size more than 34, you can do it this much, then after you can do whatever you love. Okay, if you don't like this, you can apply like this, it's up to you, completely up to you. So then apply a border. Font colors here also can be changed. Fine. So that's all about Sudoku. When it is finished, unnecessary rows you are going to delete. So here I am deleting this. These are not in use. I shall delete. Fine. And see here, fonts are, these are not required. So I shall do what? I'll delete all together. All of this I'll delete. Delete rows, delete rows, delete rows, and delete rows, delete. Okay, delete rows which are not in use. So I can put different color to make it much more presentable. So that's all about Sudoku 1, and you can make it much more presentable giving different background colors and all. That's all about the Sudoku, and I'll show you next time about with another video that how to work with that tic-tac-toe. Okay, so I'll name this one Sudoku, and I'm going to add one more place here and name it tic-tac-toe. I'll share with you soon.